In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block someone on Facebook Marketplace. If you've had a frustrating interaction with a buyer or seller, blocking is a simple way to stop messages and prevent them from seeing or interacting with your marketplace activity. I'll walk you through it step by step, and I'll share a few tips so you know exactly what to expect. Start by opening the Messenger app that's connected to your Facebook account. Marketplace conversations live inside Messenger, so this is where you'll manage them. Make sure you're logged into the correct account and that your app is up to date, which helps the menu labels match what you see here. Next, tap on Marketplace inside Messenger. This usually appears as a tab, filter, or section that groups your Marketplace chats separately from your regular messages. If you don't immediately see it, go to your main chats list and use the search bar to find the conversation by the person's name or the listing title. Now tap on the conversation with the person you want to block to open the message thread. Take a quick moment to confirm it's the right chat, especially if you've spoken to multiple people about similar listings. In the chat, look toward the upper right corner and tap the information icon, the small I in a circle. This opens the conversation details, where Facebook places privacy and safety options related to that chat. Scroll down in the conversation details and tap Block Member. Depending on your app version, this may appear under a privacy or safety section, but it will be clearly labeled as the blocking option for this conversation. If you're shown a list or a confirmation screen, tap on the person you intend to block. This confirms exactly who you're blocking and helps avoid mistakes if there are similar names or group chats involved. Finally, tap on Block to complete the action. You may see a confirmation prompt. Go ahead and confirm. After this, the person will no longer be able to message you on Messenger or contact you about listings on Marketplace. They won't be notified that you blocked them. Existing chat history may remain visible to you for reference, but the conversation will be closed off so they can't reach you. If you had an ongoing negotiation, blocking will effectively end that conversation. So consider wrapping up any critical details beforehand if you feel safe doing so. If you ever change your mind later, you can unblock the person from your Facebook or Messenger settings. And if someone violates policies, consider reporting them as well. That's all it takes to block someone on Facebook Marketplace. Quick, clear, and under your control.